Hey, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2012 Audi S5. The customer called and said that over the weekend they had to add some coolant. The low coolant light was dinging and advising them that there was an issue with the cooling system on the car. They went ahead and added some antifreeze to it just to try to alleviate the situation so they could continue using the vehicle over the weekend. One thing that's really important now in modern cars is making sure you're using the correct coolant for the vehicle. The days of just using one type of antifreeze for all makes and models has kind of gone out the window due to various metal compounds and other requirements that certain manufacturers need that coolant to make up. So they used a coolant that was not advisable for that particular vehicle. We advised them that we should flush the system, getting all that coolant out of it, make sure there's no coolant mixture that could cause an issue down the road for them with the vehicle. We called and got the correct coolant based on the manufacturer's recommendation. Went ahead and filled it up, making sure that the coolant was at the proper level in the overflow tank. These particular vehicles, Audis in general, are very sensitive to coolant levels. The demands on the cooling system on these vehicles, especially being turbocharged, is a little higher than the average vehicle. So it's very critical that it has the proper coolant type and level of coolant. As you can see here, we've mixed it up and poured it in, got the fluid to the correct level. Test drove it to make sure that the warning lights would not come back on. So if you're having a cooling issue, you think maybe your car is running a little hotter than it should, or maybe you just need to get your coolant flushed, you're not sure what those intervals are, please feel free to give us a call. We'd like to help you out with that information, and we look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to it, hit the like button, and ring that bell. We really look forward to reading your comments.